Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool mirror text effect on CapCut PC. Just going to use this as a background. You can choose any background you'd like to. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word reflection, and I will also change the font size and the font as well. Just going to use this font. After that, you can also change the color if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm just going to copy and paste it. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to rotate it. Sorry, that was the wrong button. Rotate it 180 degrees, and then mirror it here. And I'm just going to put it down like so, and I'm also going to adjust the opacity a little bit so it creates this really cool kind of reflective mirror like effect on it. You can even add in a blur if you want to. It's totally up to you, like what effect you want to add it to the text. But just make sure you do it before you make it into a compound clip so that it doesn't affect the... Oh, actually you can put this one just above the text and add in like the blur, or is it? There you go. Just add it and put it below that text and adjust like the blur of it a little bit. I'm actually going to adjust the opacity a little bit like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!